CleverPDF offers 20 PDF tools for your daily PDF tasks. They are listed in the main menu and arranged in 3 categories. PDF Converter lets you quickly convert PDF files to other formats, including Office, iWork, EPUB, and images. PDF Creator helps you quickly create PDF from Office and images. It's completely free, no limitations. PDF Utility offers 8 tools, lets you easily encrypt or unlock, combine or split, compress PDF, and more. Let's convert PDF to Word. Simply add PDF files. It supports batch processing, so you can add multiple files at one time. Click on the Output Setting button. You can configure the setting according to your needs. On the right, there's a PDF Reader. You can do some advanced setting, such as Mark Table Area, which is very useful for extracting table from PDF. Click on the Convert button. Conversion will begin instantly. It will try to preserve everything as accurate as possible. Now you can edit the document in Word easily. Different format conversions have different output settings. But the way to convert PDF to other formats is almost the same. It takes no more than 3 steps. Creating PDF from Office documents is even easier. Just one click, you can convert lots of Office files to PDF at once. You don't need to export file to PDF one by one in Office software anymore. To create PDF from images, just add the images file. You can reorder the files by drag and drop or sort the files before conversion. It's the easiest way to combine multiple images into a PDF. If you want to make a large file smaller, CompressPDF can help. There are a few compressing options. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can try another one. It reduced 5% for this file. It's still too big? Let's try the maximum option. Now it's reduced 50%. Isn't it amazing? Encrypt PDF helps you easily protect your PDF with open password or permissions. You can also use Unlock PDF to remove all the file restrictions, so you can print or copy the content without problems. Combine PDF lets you quickly merge multiple files into one. Just like images to PDF, you can reorder or sort the file before merging. It takes less than 3 seconds to merge 30 files into a 400-page PDF. In Split PDF function, you can extract pages from a PDF file or split a file into multiple files by pages. PDF Watermark tool helps you easily add text watermark or image watermark into your PDF files. Flexible settings are available. You can customize the font style, position, transparency, and more. Besides watermark, you can also insert page numbers to PDF or rotate the pages in PDF quickly. That's the overview of the 20 tools provided by CleverPDF. It offers free and paid version. Create PDF is completely free, while PDF Converter and PDF Utility have page limitations. Click on the link in the main menu. You can visit cleverpdf.com. The online version is completely free. Now you are ready to use CleverPDF for Windows. If you'd like to learn how to make the most of each function in CleverPDF and the advanced skills, please subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks and enjoy!